team effort to eh. So parang sabi nga ni coach, nating to lose. So nag-enjoy lang kami, then the rest to follow na lang yung ginagawa namin. Basta nag-enjoy lang kami talaga. Ayun.
I feel like we played very well tonight. We played very composed, and our hard work gave us positive results. It is sad to walk away, but however, I do still believe that they can do good things with or without me. So I'm excited to see where they head next. But most of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who believed in me and supported me through everything because it's been a long journey. But like I said, I'm just excited to see like where things take them from here. What stuck with me the most and the most important thing is I feel like developing actual real friendships and developing myself as a woman, like letting myself be able to make mistakes as long as I can come back from them. So that's something that I'll take into the world for the rest of my life.
Siguro yung mga fans talaga nagbibigay din ng boost namin kasi every time na naglalaro yung Chocomucho, andyan sila para sa amin. So parang give back na lang na gawin namin yung part namin as a player na makapag-perform pa din ng kahit alam namin na nating tulos na tong game na to para sa kanila to. Ayun. Siguro whether ipasok ko or not ni coach, basta always ako prepare. Matutulungan ko yung teammates ko, yung management, tsaka yung mga coaches kahit whether na ipasok ko o hindi, I'm always ready to perform. Ayun. Ay, pwede ko ba sabihin? Hindi ko ano eh. Oo, may nangyari lang kay Tangtang. So, inaalay namin tong game sa kanya. Ayun, para kay Tangtong game na to. Ha? Thank
Thank
you.
you.